Question number 7 is written as motor vehicles purchased for 530,000 at the start of the year have been incorrectly depreciated for the whole year using the straight line method at 10% instead of 25%. Okay, so we have to come to know that depreciation should have been applied at 25%, but 10% was applied, which is incorrect. Then below it is written, ledger balances after the entries have been posted are as follows. Meaning, out of these two, the motor vehicles at cost 533,000 is correct, but the balance for provision for depreciation of 53,000 is given after making this error. Then it is written which entries will correct the error. This is a very simple situation because we know that more depreciation should have been charged, but less was charged. So we will charge the actual rate of depreciation, which is 25%. This comes to 132,500, but 10% was charged incorrectly, which comes to 53,000 only. This means that 79,500 was undercharged. So see that this amount appears in option A and option C, meaning one of these two options is correct. So far we have calculated the amount that was less. Now let's make its journal entry, and there is no alteration in its journal entry. Rather, we will pass the regular entry. Normally, we should debit the depreciation expense and credit the provision for depreciation. But since this error was discovered after the entries were posted, this means that the depreciation expense itself has been closed. So we will debit the statement of profit or loss and credit the provision for depreciation of motor vehicles. This entry of ours matches with option A, so the correct option is option A. I hope you understand.